OpenAI has started introducing a new and better version of memory for ChatGPT, making it the standard setting going forward. This change means that ChatGPT can now remember things from old chats and use that information to give more meaningful and helpful replies. However, this update has made some users feel uneasy. Some people worry that ChatGPT might be keeping track of too much, making it feel like the AI is quietly watching or listening, which is causing discomfort for many. The truth is, ChatGPT has already been using a form of memory through its built-in feature that remembers details from earlier chats. This memory helps the system understand your preferences and continue conversations smoothly, even after a break. It's like having a smart assistant who remembers your likes, dislikes, and the last thing you talked about, so you never have to start from scratch again. Now, with this fresh update, the memory is getting even smarter. ChatGPT will be able to pull information not just from the current chat you're in, but also from older conversations, making everything feel more connected. And here's the exciting part. It can now do this across all types of content in the platform, whether it's text, images, or anything else you share. That means your experience with ChatGPT can become more personalized and helpful than ever before. But this advanced memory feature isn't for everyone just yet. Only users who subscribe to ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro will be able to enjoy it for now. Those using ChatGPT Enterprise, Team, or Edu versions will have to wait a little longer before they get to try it out. It's worth remembering that OpenAI first brought memory into ChatGPT in February last year, hoping to make the whole experience more useful and friendly. So memory features like this aren't new in the world of AI. Because other systems, like Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, have also added memory to their tools. And there are even special systems, such as AMEM frameworks, that are being used to help AI remember things better over long conversations, especially when the tasks are more complex. Well, this is just a snippet to its beautiful features. Stay tuned as we unveil more, and even how you can control the ChatGPT's memory. How this memory update works. OpenAI has shared that with the new updates to memory, ChatGPT will be able to carry on from previous chats in a much more natural way. Over time, these conversations will start to feel even more personal, as if the AI is truly getting to know you. That's because everything will slowly shape itself around your unique style, habits, and preferences. It's kind of like a friend who remembers the little things about you and grows closer the more you talk. To help users feel more in control, OpenAI has created two simple ways to manage how memory works. The first option is called Reference Saved Memories. This allows people to tell ChatGPT exactly what to remember, things like your name, favorite topics, or how you like your answers. Most of the time, users give this information on purpose, like asking ChatGPT to remember a certain detail. The AI also tries to understand which details might come in handy later and stores them to make future conversations better. The second tool is called Reference Chat History. This one lets ChatGPT look back at your earlier chats and understand the flow of your conversations, like your tone of voice, your main goals, or the subjects you talk about the most. But here's something important. Unlike saved memories, the information gathered through chat history won't show up in the memory settings. It's used behind the scenes to guide the conversation, but isn't stored in a way you can view or edit like saved facts are. OpenAI also made it super easy to choose how you want memory to work. You can switch both features on, turn them both off, or just keep saved memory on and leave chat history off. By doing so, you're in full control. And you can also go in anytime to review or delete specific things the system remembers. And if you prefer to keep your chats private and memory-free, there's an option for that too. You can even ask ChatGPT what it remembers about you, or you can switch to something called temporary chat, which lets you talk without anything being saved. So with all these, you can choose to turn it off completely or just limit it. If you want ChatGPT to remember only certain details, you can use simple settings to decide what it keeps. Just go to your profile picture, click on Settings, then go to Personalization, and finally Memory. There you'll find options like Manage Memories, which lets you see and manage what ChatGPT knows about you. If there's something strange you want to ask ChatGPT but don't want it to remember, you can use the temporary chat option. This is found at the top right of the screen, shown as a dotted cloud icon. This way, you can have a conversation without worrying about it being stored in memory. At the moment, the memory feature is available for ChatGPT Pro users who pay $200 per month, and it will soon be available for Plus users who pay $20 a month. However, it's not yet offered in the UK, EU, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, or Switzerland. Free users will have to wait a little longer before getting access, as OpenAI has had to prioritize due to the demand for GPUs. It's not just ChatGPT with this new memory ability, though. Other companies like Gemini from Google, Meta AI, and Microsoft's Copilot have also added similar memory features to their systems. These new tools are all about making the experience feel more personal, yet still respecting the user's choices. Whether you want ChatGPT to remember everything or nothing at all, the decision is completely yours. It's like having a smart assistant who's always ready to help, but that's only when you say so. Is ChatGPT doing too much? When ChatGPT starts holding on to parts of your past chats and remembering little things you've said, it becomes easier to pick up a conversation right where you left off. This isn't just nice for personal chats. It's actually a big deal for business use too. Having that background knowledge about your preferences or what you're working on helps the AI give better, faster, and more fitting responses. It's like talking to someone who knows your story and doesn't need a recap every single time. Allie K. Miller, someone who invests in and understands AI really well, shared her thoughts on this. She explained that this change makes it feel like ChatGPT is always paying attention in the background. It's like the platform is keeping track of everything, even if you didn't ask it to. For her, memory is the most exciting part of these kinds of tools. As the features of different AI systems start to look the same, she believes the real value lies in how personal and interactive they can become. She also sees memory as the most important thing and the strong wall that keeps one platform ahead of the others. While not everyone feels as comfortable as she does, when OpenAI talked about this memory update, a number of people began to worry about how it might shift the way ChatGPT talks or behaves. Ethan Mollick, a well-known AI expert and a professor at Wharton, shared that he's not planning to use the feature himself. He totally sees why it's helpful and agrees that many will love it, especially since it's been useful in his own testing. But for his professional work, he doesn't want the AI mixing past conversations into new ones or bringing up personal stuff without being asked. For him, it's important to keep a line between casual and work-related conversations. Even Andrej Karpathy, one of the co-founders of OpenAI, made a lighthearted comment, joking about whether ChatGPT might think less of him for an embarrassing question he asked months ago. It was a funny way to show how people might feel a little exposed knowing that the AI remembers everything, even the awkward bits. So yes, memory in ChatGPT has a lot of potential to make things smoother and more helpful. But at the end of the day, it's really up to the user to decide what the platform should keep and what should be forgotten. Everyone gets to choose how much they want ChatGPT to remember and how deeply past conversations should shape what happens next. It's all about finding that sweet spot between being helpful and respecting your space. But then comes the privacy issue. With this ChatGPT's memory update, do you think that your chats can still remain private? Well, let's find out what people think. The privacy challenges. Many people are worried about privacy when it comes to AI remembering details from their chats. While ChatGPT allows you to manage and delete memories, the concern is what happens if someone forgets to delete something sensitive. Imagine if you told ChatGPT about your health, family problems, or even something about your job, and then you forgot to delete that information. It could be troubling if that personal data stays stored, even if you no longer want it to be remembered. The real problem is that not everyone remembers to check the settings or knows how to delete things properly. In some cases, users might not even realize that certain memories are saved until it's too late. For instance, if you shared personal information or had an embarrassing conversation, it could feel uncomfortable knowing the AI remembers it. This brings up the need for clearer guidelines on how to handle memory safely. OpenAI and other companies must make sure that users can easily control their data and have full knowledge of what the AI remembers. Clear instructions and regular reminders about deleting memories could help keep sensitive details from being saved without the user's consent. This would give users peace of mind and ensure that their personal information stays private. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.